Perfect. The final win has brought me a fantastic profit, up to $8,000. Hello everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to my exciting YouTube channel. Have you ever thought about making $10,000 in just 10 minutes? That is completely possible with a simple trading strategy using candlestick patterns. Surprisingly, you won't need any complex indicators or systems. One of my subscribers successfully accumulated $210,000 within a year using only technical analysis, patterns, and classic trading methods. Today, I am happy to share their experience and demonstrate how you can profit from binary options using only candlesticks. As you may already know, I only use simple indicators. All I require is a 1-minute time frame to execute trades and generate income. If you find trading difficult or unclear, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step of the process. Rest assured, I trade here every day. To facilitate your trading journey, I will provide you with a promo code that provides free real money to your balance, allowing you to practice trading. Simply create an account using the link and promo code provided. It's a beginner-friendly approach to winning in the trading arena. I hope you'll follow the trend and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest content. And for those interested, the linked URL in the video description is for you. Typically, I prefer selecting currency pairs in binary options trading with high payout ratios. Let's start by setting up the MACD indicator. Here it is, the periods will be 30, 60, and 9. Keep the lines unchanged and let's continue adjusting the moving average lines, with periods of 10 and 20. Make the lines a bit thicker. Let's change some colors, and we're done. I've completed setting up the indicators. I've set the candlesticks to 1 minute and the trading time to 1 minute before I start trading. In this situation, I decide to place a downward trade. Before starting trading, I usually focus on observing a specific direction and monitor the movement of the candlesticks in the same direction. In the current situation, the candlesticks are moving in an upward trend. The moving averages are also trending upwards. I don't overlook any candlestick signals, and I pay attention to green candles appearing with a significant distance between them. Typically, the distance between candles has two main aspects. First, the trading time between candles, and second, the distance between them. A small distance usually indicates stability and less volatility in the market, while a large distance often indicates volatility and uncertainty. Therefore, in this situation, I decide to place a downward trade. I'm thrilled that we've scored a win with the first trade of the day. The market remains stable, and the distance between the candles has adjusted according to the market's recovery. Both the moving averages and the MACD indicator indicate an upward trend in the market. All conditions are favorable for me to open a long position at this point. I continue to convert the profit of $164 and look for new market opportunities. Oh, do you see that? Here, a reversal candlestick has appeared. It's quite risky, but I'll open a position here. I think I want to stick with this currency pair because the probability of a red candle appearing is quite high. As I mentioned to you earlier, this is one of the decisive factors for determining strong upward or downward trends in this method. Great! Fantastic! While I'm not entirely convinced because I'm not overly confident, I do quite enjoy wins like this. We now have a profit of $314. I'll convert that into investments and open a new position. As you can see, I always trade with the entire profit earned from the initial capital, which helps me achieve significant wins in a short time. This allows me to progress quickly in the initial stages, so I want to share my secret with you. Don't forget to leave comments, feedback, or share your own experiences under my video so we can discuss together. With a profit of $603, although not a huge amount, it's still fantastic, isn't it, folks? The red line of the moving average is currently positioned above the green line and touching the red candle, which could be a potential reversal signal. We can see some instability in the current uptrend. This could be a sign of an impending shift to a downtrend. I continue to convert the $603 profit and open a new position here. I'm a bit confused because in most cases, the MACD candle is actually quite significant. Even when it only appears there, with almost no other candles, just a small peak. You can see it's unstable. That's actually the beginning of a reversal trend, perhaps the peak of the peak right now. However, this time, I think it's just a minor disruption, nothing to worry about. As for whether it will go up or down, let's wait and see the outcome together. A profit of $1,158 from an initial capital of $44 may not be a huge amount, but I want to tell you that just by applying the right strategy and sticking to it, my advice is to never change more than 2-3 methods while trading. Even if you have 2 to 3 consecutive losing trades, you can win 10 or more, so don't lose heart. That's great! I've secured another win for the day. We'll continue to convert the $2,235 profit and search for new market opportunities. As you can see, the red line of the moving average is currently above the green line. This typically indicates that the price is trading higher than the average over a certain period. This can be seen as a positive sign for potential price increases or the strength of the current uptrend. That's why I've decided to go long this time. Perfect, we've now achieved a profit of over $4,000 from this trade. For me, this is quite fantastic as I've invested a significant amount. I'm confident that we'll end today's trading excellently with this final winning trade. The market is still in an uptrend, making it the perfect time for me to open 2 new positions. I hope to have a fantastic ending to the day. Perfect. The final win has brought me a fantastic profit, up to $8,000. Today has truly been an outstanding and positive day. I've decided to end all trading for today on a high note, feeling excited. I have set up a completely free Telegram group, where I share experiences and support those who are just starting out or have no experience. You can copy your trades manually or automatically by connecting to your account, and this is free for everyone. To work with me and the team, and to get answers to all your questions, write to me on Telegram. If you want to join my team, I'll give you all the information right away, and the link is just in the video description. I only participate in active transactions, so initial capital is not important. You can start with $5, $10, or $100, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that I do not sell any products and do not collect money from subscribers. It's all just sincere help. I'm waiting for your message, but please hurry because space is limited. thank you and everyone who followed. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And also join my free Telegram group, where I post motivational videos and exclusive discounts for my trading program. And if you don't have my trading program by now, make sure you check that out. So make sure you take advantage of that. All of my information is below in the description. If you have a question, comment below because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time. And please have a great day.